In this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best butcher knife available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best butcher knife for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the best butcher knife brands' consumer ratings and reports. Let's start number 5. Z-Lite Infinity 6 inches boning knife. Minimal slicing resistance, satisfying heft, full tang and premium materials. Need a good stiff bladed 6-inch knife for fishing, butchering meat, on a hunting trip? We have you covered. Set in a premium packaged box, value for money never looked so good. Number 4. Rada Cutlery R109 Old-Fashioned Butcher Knife. It will help you butcher or segment large cuts of meat. It enables you to split, chop and cut with effortless power. The heavy, 7-3/4 inch blade on the butcher knife is made from surgical grade, T420 high carbon stainless steel that is hand sharpened. It also includes a skinning tip. Number 3. Dexter Russell 10 inches Butcher Knife. This knife is versatile enough for multiple uses. It is thick and long enough to use on larger cuts of meat or bulk use. The blade holds its edge, so you don't have to waste time sharpening it at every use. The handle has excellent grip, making it easy to hang on to while reducing the risk of injury. Number 2. Mercer Culinary Millennia 6 inches Curved Boning Knife. The handle has textured finger points, giving you excellent grip. There is a protective finger guard to reduce slips that could result in severe injuries. The blade is one piece of high-carbon steel. The Japanese steel is quick and easy to sharpen. The Millennia is NSF certified. Number 1. Victorinox 6 inches Flex Boning Knife. The Fibrix handle is textured to reduce slipping, which will prevent injuries in the kitchen. This boning knife is decently priced, which makes it a great option for those on a budget. Victorinox has a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects for this boning knife. The flexible blade allows you to cut the meat close to the bone, reducing wasted meat.